Hello everyone, welcome to Lucy Crochet Designer, and today we are going to learn how to crochet this pattern. This is a shell pattern. What you will need is yarn, crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. Let's start. You will need to chain like this. This one I'm going to chain up to 24. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Now we are going to count to confirm it. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now this is 24, and we are going to add 3 more. This 1, 2, and 3, like this. Now you will yarn over and go back to the 4th here and make a double crochet. This is a second row, and we are going to make double crochets up to the end. Double crochet, double crochet, a second row, we'll make double crochet up to the end. Double crochet, and this is the last one. Here is the last one. I'll make a double crochet, and now I'm going to insert another color. I'll insert another color like this, and chain 1, make it tight, like this, and chain 1, 2, turn your work, and in the same make a double crochet, and make another double crochet, and we are going to count this which we chain 2 to make 3 double crochets. Now you are going to count 1, 2. In the third one, make a single crochet like this. Yarn over, count 1, 2. In the third one, make a double crochet. In the same space, we are going to make 5 double crochets. This is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Count 1, 2. In the third one, make a single crochet. Yarn over, count 1, 2. In the third one, make 5 double crochets. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 double crochets. Count 1, 2. In the third one, make a single crochet. Yarn over, count 1, 2. In the third one, make 5 double crochets. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2. In the third one, make a single crochet. 1, 2. Yarn over, 1, 2. And we are in the last one. You're going to make the last one. Here, the last one. We are going to make double crochets. 3 double crochets. Yeah. This is 2, and this is the third one. Like this. You start with 3, you end with 3. This is the third row. Now here we are going to insert another color. Here we are going to insert another color. I'm going to cut this and insert it. Like this. Chain 1 and make it tight. Turn your work. Yarn over. In the single stitch we made here, you're going to make 5 double crochets like this. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now here we are going to count this 1, 2, and the third one here. We are going to make a single crochet on the top of this. This is single crochet. Yarn over. In the single crochet here, we make 5 double crochets. This 5, double crochets in here. These 2, 3, 4 and 5 double crochets. On the top of this we make a single crochet like this, yarn over. In the single crochet we make 5 double crochets. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On the top we count 1, 2. In the third one we stitch here in the top, on the top of this crochet we stitch a single crochet, yarn over. In the single crochet we make 5 double crochets. It's like this, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we'll make a single like this, and I want to insert another color to show you how you will start. Here like this, you insert like this and chain 1, tight it like this. Now we are going to chain 2. This is 1, 2, yarn over like this, and in the same space you will make 2 double crochets like this. You add this and it will be 3 double crochets like this, and on the top of this you will make a single crochet, yarn over. On the single crochet you will make 5 double crochets, and you will be going like that until to the end. You insert another color, and continue with this shell, pattern. This shell pattern is so beautiful to make it. You can make it. This shell pattern you can make it with a shawl or a blanket. This is 4 and 5. On the top of this, make a single crochet, yarn over, make 5 double crochets, 2, 3, 4, this is 3, 4 and 5, and you'll continue like this to make this a beautiful shell pattern. It will be like this. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment below. This is a shell pattern. Thank you for watching. Bye.